one of the lifetime rewards that I recommend getting if you're going to do fishing, gardening, rock collecting, anything along those lines, if you want the rocks to decorate your house, etc., is the collection helper. It is transferable between your Sims. It's 40 lifetime rewards. It's a really good thing for your first older Sim to get when you're not quite sure what to do with the life points. Get the collection helper, because once it's in your inventory, you can click on it. Like this Sim at the moment, you can see from the top left hand side, I've already got him selected to pick up some seeds, but you can't really see them on the ground that well. On the wiki, I show you what the seeds look like, and it can be quite difficult to see them. They can hide really well. You might miss a few, so if you turn the collection helper butterfly onto view seeds, and I'll just unpause this, you can see that they sparkle a lot, and it makes it really easy to find. So I just rotate on here. I think I've collected them all from this area. Nope, I missed one. See how it's really easy to see that little seed, so we'll go and pick that up. And then we can go and look around town, and you can see that there is a whole bunch of seeds all over town, and you can go and visit the individual areas with your Sim and pick them up. So that's the collection helper. I'll just change it to, say, rocks and gems, so you can have a look at that at the same time. The rocks, it doesn't tell you what it is that you're looking for. It just tells you that there is a rock or a gem or a seed or a fish there. It doesn't tell you exactly what fish it is or what rock it is. So you can see a lot of the rocks are around the side here. So it is definitely something worth getting. If you ever send your Sims out and about in town, it's quite good to transfer it. And to transfer it, you simply click and drag it over the other Sim's profile picture, and then you see it inside her little thing there, and it's selected to none. So there you go. That's a quick little tutorial on the collection helper.